Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I just want to do something different. Since so much has changed up on the business side of things, I decided just gonna start kind of just taking you on the journey of ShaloTek on this channel. And all the projects we have going on, the different things we have going on, and in general, just the cool things we do here and there. That sounds weird. No, we do a lot of cool things, a lot of fun things. We're going to be doing a lot more fun things. So I figured this channel would be really good to show the day in the life of things we have going on at ShaloTek, the business side of it, the projects we have going on, and then also to work on fun projects and kind of videotape that. So right now we are going to head to the shop, pick up slides that I stayed late into the night cutting last night, and take them over to C&B and kind of just go from there. So welcome to the ride. We're in the Jeep, leaving the Camaro at the house. So yeah, see you at the shop. All right, so real quick, we're just stopping in here, grabbing some stuff. So I figured I'd just show what's going, what's staying, what needs to go out, all that jazz, why we're even doing this. So those are going out. We just got those back. Hi, I'm Matt. Oh, okay. Anywho, so those are going out. The one on the left, the FDE, is a promo slide that we're doing. That'll kind of get displayed later. That's a customer slide. That's customer slide. This one on the right, this EDC, is a promo slide as well. It's going with that FDE Ronix. And then this little 45 EDC, that's a good buddy of ours. If you follow our Instagram, which you should follow, the ShaloTek Instagram, I did a story on that last night. I couldn't get this out. We have the special tool for it. It's kind of under, let's see if this will register here. No, it won't. Oh wait, no, you can kind of see it right there. That screw in there. It's a special, it's not like super special, but it's special enough of a tool that you have to do to get it out. And we have that, and it's not usually an issue, but that thing is like welded in and like stripped out. And I wasn't thinking straight last night. Shout out to 2A3D Print. He was like, you should have just dremeled it, flat-headed it, and ripped it out or heated it up. And I was like, that's brilliant. I should have, but I wasn't thinking about it. So we had a saga going that I wonder if I should have just hit it with a mill, because I wasn't sure if it was going to clear with the tool path. We'll explain that, or I'll show more tool paths on the show, or on the channel, but wasn't sure if it was going to clear. Sure enough, it wasn't going to clear. It came up to like, it just wasn't going to clear. So I had to go in and rework it and manually kind of hit it and work around it and then let the rest of the system run. So Jack, you're welcome. I told him anyone else, I would have just let it eat and shown the destruction to everyone. But ultimately, if you send us your slides, please try to get the things out as much as possible. I hate being responsible for that kind of stuff. I just hate being responsible for it. All right, cool. Headed to C&B. We will see you later. All right, so we just got done at C&B. I wanted to take you in, but I haven't asked him yet if he'd be cool with that. I'm going to ask him and see if I can start getting them kind of on this as well. They have some really cool things happening in there that they just do a lot of volume stuff while also doing some cool, they're just all over the place. So I'm going to see if I can get you guys in there and kind of show you around at some point. But I dropped some stuff off, or that stuff off, picked some stuff up. We're going to head back to the shop and get some more work done, try to finish up some projects before the end of the weekend. I have a child's coming any day now. My wife's set to be induced on Monday night, but we don't even know if we're going to make it. So we're kind of in a push to get things done by the end of the day, and we'll be working tomorrow. And I'm going to be working right up to the point because we got a lot going on, and we're going to visit that a little bit later, all the projects that we have on deck and going on, and why we're running around like a chicken with our head cut off. So talk to you soon. We're back in the shop. I had the wrong mics. Dylan's going to get on to me for this, so I hope you can hear it. But we have a heater going, we have machines going. It's just kind of loud. I'll get this fixed for the next one. I hope this works. If not, we'll just scrap this video. Anyways, got the stuff shipped out. I'm trying to work on Windows is killing me on our printer, but the shop is an absolute mess. You guys don't even know about the shop yet. A lot of things have happened in the past few months, and I'm going to explain that all, but I just wanted to give a little bit of teaser of what's going on. So real quick, just don't look at the mess. It'll be cleaned up in the next few weeks. Matthew's working on something in a small little MCO, and it's super loud now, so who really knows? I'm finishing up a job in the Tormach that originally came off, where's it at? The lathe, right there. So we have a lot going on, and again, it's really loud. So I'm trying to get these compensators out. And again, super messy, I get it. Some of you are gonna dog us for it. Just don't, we're busy. And it'll get cleaned up in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, once the baby gets here and we kind of get settled, and we're trying to push out SIG slides as quick as we can. Plus we have these other jobs that we have going on, so we're just all over the place, and sometimes you just run, which is what we're doing right now. But anyways, I wanted to just give you a chance to kind of see the day. I'm gonna start bringing you guys in here every day we have something going on, which is most days. So I'm gonna try to get out like 3 videos a week of just vlogs of the projects we have going on, how they work, the processes through those projects that we can show. We have some projects that we can't show, but the projects we can show, I'm gonna show that, the different customer slides that we're doing, all that jazz. And then as we have the extra time to start doing fun projects, we'll do that as well. So thanks for hanging out, and I'm gonna get back at it, and see you next time.